Hello, and thanks for stopping by. Today I'll be making a 4-ingredient caramel apple cake. Let's get started. Okay, here I have a box of yellow cake mix. That's what I'm using. Here I have a cup and a half of 7-Up. I'm going to add this into the cake mix. Just going to mix this together. See how foamy that looks? It's doing its thing. Gonna mix this well. Oops. A few minutes. I want you to see how that looks. Make sure you get the cake from the bottom. And that's about it. We'll set this aside. Here I have some apple. Can you see? I'm sorry. Some apple filling. I'm gonna open this. I can cut that off well, and I sprayed my my pan well with non-stick spray. I'm gonna put these apples in the bottom. Spread them out. Spread them out. That's done. And I have some brown sugar. And I'm using light brown sugar. I'm going to just sprinkle some. As much or as little as you like. I think that was about a little more than a tablespoon. I'm going to add a little more. Yeah, that should do it. That's just maybe a couple of tablespoons. And our cake batter. My oven is preheated at 350. Just making sure I have it all. You may want to put a pan underneath a cookie sheet or something so that it doesn't boil over. And I'm going to put this in the oven at 350, and we're going to cook it. I'm going to bake it until You prick it with a fork or you prick it with a knife or whatever you choose, toothpick, and it comes out clean. See you in a minute. Okay, I'll let that cook for about an hour on 350. I'm going to let it cool for about 10 or 12 minutes and then I'm going to flip it out. Ooh, it's pretty hot, y'all. It's still very, very hot. Let's see what's going on. It's best to let it cool though if you can. Ooh, a lot of my apples are still there. Hold on, I want these apples. Mm.